Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to fix Roblox not launching. If this video helps you, please consider subscribing my YouTube channel and liking the video. So first thing which you can try is to just go and restart your PC. For that we just need to click on start button, then just hit on power button, and here you will find the option for restart. Once you restart your PC, just go and check if your problem is solved or not. If it is not, you can just try the second method. And in the second method we just need to hit right click on the Roblox player, and here we need to click on run as administrator. Once you click there, in case if you get any kind of pop-up, there we need to click on yes, but in my case I got nothing. So yeah guys, this is also the method which you can try to solve the problem. So if your problem is not solved yet, you can just try the third method, and the third method is pretty easy. For that you just need to again click right on the Roblox player, then go to properties, and in the compatibility section you will find the option for run compatibility troubleshooter. Now we just need to click on try recommended settings, and here you can just test the program and see if your problem is solved or not. After doing all these three methods, if your problem is still there, I would recommend you to do one thing: just reinstall your Roblox. That will fix your problem most probably. For that we just need to uninstall this Roblox player first. So for that we just need to hit right click on the start button, then go to settings, click on apps, and here we need to search Roblox. Once you find it, just click there and click on uninstall. So now Roblox is uninstalling. Once you uninstall the Roblox, now we are going to reinstall it. Firstly we need to come to Roblox site. Now here we need to sign up first, and then here you can download any of this. Let's suppose I'm going with the please donate. So just click there and click on this big play sign which you can see right here. Now click on download and install. Once the download is done, just open the file. Once the process done, click on join, and then here we need to click on open Roblox game client. Now after doing all these steps, it is quite possible that your Roblox problem is now solved, and if it is, you can just repay me by subscribing my YouTube channel. I would really appreciate it. For now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.